Today, I'm answering one of the most asked questions. How do I create my own avatar? How does it look so realistic? Well, guess what? I'm about to show you exactly how I do it in just a few simple steps. Before we dive in, make sure to follow this page and all my social media so you don't miss anything I'm sharing. Now, let's get into it. First, I head over to Leonardo.ai. Yeah, I know, Leonardo is everywhere. But here's how I use it. I take a real image of myself and transform it into an animated version. Just go to Create Image, type in a detailed prompt, I'll leave mine in the description or comments, and upload a reference image of yourself. Here's mine. Next, choose the style you want. I always go for the comic style because it gives my images that signature look. Click Confirm, set your dimensions, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you need. And don't forget to select your mode. I personally use Leonardo lighting because it delivers the best results. Now hit Generate and in just a few seconds, boom! You'll get images like these completely customized and based on your photo. Pick the ones you like, download them, and now it's time to bring them to life. For that, I use hedra.com. This is where the magic happens. Upload your favorite image, add your voiceover, whether recorded or AI generated, and click Generate. In just seconds, your avatar will be talking just like this. And that's it. That's exactly how I create my realistic talking avatars. If you also want to know how I generate my voiceovers using my own cloned voice, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that next. As always, I'll see you in the next one.